All right, family update. This is week one of our catastrophe that happened. Many of you might have saw a quick image on it from Rose's Instagram account, maybe not. But let me explain what we've been kind of going through now that things seem to be under control. So last week Thursday, while we were at a funeral for our grandmother, somebody decided to park their car into my damn house. Yeah, that sounds kind of odd. Take a look at this image. Now, as crazy as shit may seem, we were pretty fortunate that they hit my neighbor's house first, the front right corner of their garage, and after that impact at about 35 miles an hour, the back end picked up and landed onto my garage. So the damage to my house is significantly less, but it's much greater to my neighbor's house. So let's take a look at some of this damage a little more close up afterwards. All right, so here's the mess to my neighbor's house, and you can see how they boarded it up. They actually lifted the wall there that fell onto their AC unit. Now right there used to be gas, water, and electric. And to give you a perspective, you notice right there that electrical panel is not on my neighbor's box. So we did have a surge of power through our house, but it knocked some things out. But again, we are also missing a few things. As you can see, we don't have gas or water anymore because of the hit accident. So it's knocked out services, and we can't get services turned back on until the repairs are done. On the inside, you can see where it's punched through and knocked the wood and the frame apart right there. So we've cleaned up since then. All right, so blessings counted. We're pretty fortunate still, because after talking with fire and rescue, they had gas, water, electric, paramedics, police department out here. It had everybody. The whole city was goddamn out here. But we're pretty lucky because everybody said that car should have blown up. There were 2 active gas mains completely severed, and gas was just spewing. Even the next day later, our house was full of gas, remnants of the smell, so you can tell it was pretty thick. We're extremely fortunate that our family lives just down the street, and they were able to come in and just take control of the situation while we were away. Fortunately, our son was in class right when this happened, sitting up here in this room right above it. And if the house would have blown, it would have took out my son, which thank God that didn't happen. On my neighbor's house, their daughter is in the room, the same room on the opposite side, just above too. So again, that could have went wrong. Our oldest son takes out the trash during this time, and so he could have been out there when that happened. Now, none of it didn't, so nothing to fear. It happened. So now that we have no power, no water, no electric, what do we do next? Well, fortunately, me being me, I have everything you could think of to survive something like that out in the backwoods. Now, I shouldn't have to camp in my own house, and fortunately, it wasn't. But later that day, the city was able to restore power back to my house. So we are living with power, but no water, no electric. My other neighbor is without power or gas, but they have water. So we've been kind of co-opting, getting water from them. They have a line, power cord plugged in to our house to run the refrigerators temporarily while things are going on. So We've been working together on that, and it's been damn something. So come on in, let me show you how we've been living life a little bit around here. All right, so in our laundry room, we got our washers and dryers, right? Yeah, they turn on, no problem. But you know what the problem is? There's no damn water. How the fuck are we supposed to do that? And, okay, I could turn on my dryer. That's great. No gas. Can't heat it up. Water, gas. Both water and gas is knocked out. Damn shame. Alright, so the gas is out and the water is out, but we do have power, so I don't need to put up a solar generator, solar cells, or anything like that. So we're fortunate there. So how do we cook? It's pretty simple. We still got electricity. It means we can use the air fryer. We got our toaster. We got the microwave. And most importantly, and we've been using a lot of it, the Keurig. So we could do that along with a gas stove that we use for camping. I can grill, and we do have the barbecue grill, so I can still grill. So other than that, we're kind of okay.
Still find it to be a challenge, but we overcome it. Such as going to the bathroom. As you can see, he's grabbing water from our man-made lake. Ryan still finds time to get on the games. And I watch TV on the big screen. A really big screen. And we still find time to get a little heat from the electric furnace.
Alright, so where does that leave us with? Well, we could stay somewhere else, but we have 3 little dogs that we really like, and staying with other folks with them is just a challenge. So we don't want to really make anything more difficult than it already is. We wash clothes and we take showers at our in-laws, so we're fine there. And you know, the driver, because he had an epileptic seizure, probably not going to face any criminal charges for that. And he doesn't have valid insurance or registration on his car, so we're going to have to go after him the old-fashioned way, right? That leaves us with my homeowner's insurance covering the bill. I got to put $2,000 deductible down, and that's pretty much it. So send chocolate. I've been eating a lot of chocolate lately. Fucking stressed. So other than that, that's the update for now. Week 1 of week, whenever it ends, stay tuned. We'll try to update you as things go. So for now, it's my first day off, and I think I fucking deserve a nap. It's Russell. We'll talk to you later.